Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we will be going over how to open a till. There are two ways to trigger needing to start a till for a staff, but starting the till is the same process for both. The first way is if the staff setting is set to require open till on login, which takes them directly to the Start Till page. The second way is if the option for Require open till before taking payments is enabled. This will automatically take the staff member to the Start Till page once they click on point of sale or start any payment transaction. First, log into ResNexus. Click Start Till. In the pop-up, enter the amount that you are starting the till balance with. This is the money currently in the register. Then click Start Till. To learn more about how to enable a till, please see our How to Enable a Staff Till video. Thank you for learning more about ResNexus.